Hello there, welcome to our channel Login again. I hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to delete your contacts on Telegram. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to delete contact on your Telegram app, let's open up our Telegram first. And after opening your Telegram app, the interface will be similar like this, where you can see the three-lined icon on the top left corner of your screen. Tap on the three-lined icon, and over here you can see the contacts option available. Over here, tap on contacts, and on this interface search for the person whose contact you want to delete on Telegram. Let's go. And after finding your contact which you want to delete, tap on the contact on the Telegram contacts like this, and you will be on this interface, which is the chat box of the person. And on the top of his screen you can see the username. Tap on the username, and this interface will open, where on the top right corner of your screen you can see the three dotted icon. Tap on the three dotted icon, and over here you can see the delete contact option available. Over here, tap on delete contact and tap on delete, and then your contact on Telegram will be deleted. And there guys, this is how you delete your contact on Telegram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.